Hello everyone, I want to show you how you can fix the Cloudinary API error where if you want to delete an image then you are unable to delete it because you are giving the parameters wrong. So firstly I'll show you that it is working in my Next.js app. If I go to the image and I click on the delete button and then if I refresh the page, then you'll see that the image is gone. So I'll just add another image and then I'll take you to the code and there we'll see how you can fix the errors that are causing you the trouble. Okay, so we are in the VS Code now. The first thing that you should do is to give the version 2 in the Cloudinary destroy method. Sometimes people don't use this and they just use like this, and now you can see the uploader method is not there, so you will have to use v2 here. The second error that you are probably doing is giving public ID in an object. So if you give like this, then it will cause error because we have to give it as a string, and also you will have to give it the options. So these are the options: the resource type and invalidate you will have to give it, otherwise this will not work. So that's it.